everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Chat. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the river from the 15th to the 19th of August 2022 on Monday. Zweli struggled to come to terms with Nomonde's news because he has a situation on his hand that refuses to go away. Kabzela strikes it lucky on Tuesday. The hunt for the fraudster continues. There are more conflict at the Shopper House, and Nomonde feels the heat on Wednesday. Kabzela starts a fire he can't put out, and Nomafu make herself heard on Thursday. The Shopper men execute their plan, and Flora's worst fear comes true on Friday. Things takes a turn for the worse at the Shopper House. While Flora received news that set her back, Nomonde reveals her plans with the help of an old pal. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.